Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to link your Basecamp account to Google. Now, I know you might be wondering why you would want to do this. Well, there are a few reasons. First, it can help you stay organized by keeping all of your tasks and projects in one place. Second, it can save you time by allowing you to access your Basecamp data from anywhere. And third, it can help you collaborate with others more effectively by giving them access to your Basecamp information. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign in to your Basecamp account. If you don't have a Basecamp account, you can create one for free. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Click on One Integrations in the left sidebar. 1. Investingfinancing.com. Investingfinancing.com. Step 5. Click on the Google icon. Step 6. Enter your Google credentials. Step 7. Click on the Allow button. Step 8. Click on the Save button. That's it. You're now connected to Google. How to use your Basecamp data in Google. Now that you're connected, you can access your Basecamp data from Google Sheets, Docs, and Slides. To do this, simply open the Google app that you want to use and then click on the Insert tab. Select Add-ons from the drop-down menu. Search for Basecamp. Click on the Basecamp add-on. Follow the prompts to connect your Basecamp account. Once you're connected, you can use the Basecamp add-on to access your tasks, projects, and files. Linking your Basecamp account to Google is a great way to stay organized, save time, and collaborate more effectively. I hope this tutorial has helped you get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.